Watch the screen. That is a frontier AI model. 744 billion parameters, thinking and answering live. There is no data center behind it, just a normal laptop, 25 gigs of RAM, and no graphics card at all. The model is GLM-5.2, and it beats GPT 5.5 on real coding benchmarks. A model this size is supposed to live on a rack of GPUs that cost more than a car. So how does it fold onto a machine you could buy, used, for $600? 3 tricks, stacked. Most of the model never runs. Most of it lives on your SSD, and every weight is crushed to 2 bits. One honest warning up front: it is slow. Think one word every 10 seconds. This is an overnight tool, not a chatbot. You hand it a job and walk away, but it is completely yours. No API bill, no prompts leaving the room, a frontier model you actually own. To get the trick, you first have to see the wall it climbs. Here's the problem. At full precision, GLM 5.2 is 1.4 terabytes of raw weights. That is data center territory. Even shrunk down, it is still about 245 gigs. Your 25 gigs of RAM cannot hold 5% of it. Trick 1 is baked into how GLM 5.2 is built. It is a mixture of experts. Instead of one giant brain where every neuron fires on every word, it is split into hundreds of small specialists, and a tiny router decides which ones to wake up for each token. The numbers here are wild. Each layer holds 256 separate experts. For any single word you feed in, the router picks just 8 of them, plus one shared expert that runs on every token. The other 248 stay fast asleep for that step. That is double the expert count of the last GLM, and it is exactly what keeps a 744 billion model cheap to actually run. Add it up across the whole network, and only about 40 billion of those 744 billion parameters actually do any math on a given token. Roughly 95% of the model is idle at any instant, present on disk, but doing nothing. And that is the first crack in the wall. You still have to store all 744 billion parameters somewhere. But you only ever compute with a thin slice of them at a time, which means you only need a thin slice in fast memory at a time. Here's the figure that cracks the whole thing open. From one token to the next, the router mostly reaches for different experts, but the amount of weight that actually has to change in memory is only around 11 gigabytes. Hold on to that number. Trick 2 attacks the size of every single number. By default, each weight is a 16-bit value. Multiply that by 744 billion and you get those 1.4 terabytes, far too fat to move around a cheap machine. So you shrink each weight down. The tool most people reach for is Unsloth, which publishes a whole ladder of quantized versions. 8-bit is near lossless, but still 810 gigs. 4-bit is the quality sweet spot at about 450, and the one we want, the dynamic 2-bit, drops to roughly 239, the smallest that still holds up, and it is smarter than a blind crush. Dynamic quantization keeps the sensitive layers, the attention math, the first and last blocks at higher precision, and hits the bulky expert weights the hardest, because that is where the size lives and where the model forgives the damage. And here is the part that makes it worth doing. Crushing 1.4 terabytes down to 239 gigs, an almost 6-to-1 cut, still keeps about 82% of the full model quality on Unsloth's own testing. You give up a sliver of sharpness. You give up most of the weight. That is a trade worth taking. So we are in much better shape, but stay honest about it. 239 gigabytes still dwarfs 25 gigabytes of RAM by a factor of 10. Quantization alone does not put this on a laptop. Something has to give on where the model actually lives, and this is where most guides give up. The official way to run GLM 5.2 is exactly what you would fear: 4 data center GPUs, or a Mac Studio Max to 256 gigs, around $15,000. Even llama, the easy button, only offers it as a cloud pass-through. It flat out will not load these weights on your own machine. Trick 3 is the clever one, and it is where the 25 gig laptop actually happens. Stop trying to load the whole model into RAM. Split it into 2 piles, the part that is needed on every single token, and the part it barely touches. The must-have pile is small. The attention layers, the one shared expert, the embeddings, about 17 billion parameters, which at 4 bits is roughly 10 gigabytes. That, and only that, gets loaded into RAM, and it stays there the entire time. The rarely needed pile is the experts, and there is an army of them. Around 21,000 across 75 layers, each one about 19 megabytes. Together that is 370 gigabytes, and all of it just sits parked on your SSD, doing nothing, until the router calls its name. Now watch what happens per token. The router picks its 8 experts, the engine reaches onto the drive, reads just those 8, and pulls them into RAM. It runs the math, then throws them away to make room for the next 8. Read, compute, discard, repeat. So the RAM does not hold the model. It holds the working set, that 10 gig dense core, plus whatever handful of experts this exact token happened to need. That is why 25 gigabytes is enough, even though the model on disk is 15 times bigger. It gets a touch smarter still. A small cache keeps the recently used experts hanging around because the next token often reuses a few of them, and your operating system owned page cache acts as a free second layer, soaking up any spare RAM you have to give it. The project that ties all of this together is called Colibrí, Spanish for hummingbird. One developer testing on a 12-core laptop with 25 gigs of RAM. The whole engine is a single C file, about 1,300 lines, no Python, no heavy math library, and no GPU anywhere. And to be clear, this is not a toy you are babysitting for fun. GLM-5.2 scores around 62 on the SSWE Bench Pro coding test, a hair ahead of GPT 5.5, carries a 1 million token context, and costs about 1/6 of what the big labs charge per token. That is the model streaming off your SSD. Now the bill comes due, and it comes due on your SSD. Remember that 11 gigabytes of weight that changes every token? The drive has to physically read all 11 gigabytes fresh for every single word the model writes out. A solid consumer NVMe drive reads maybe 5 to 7 gigabytes per second. Divide 5 gigs a second by 11 gigs a token, and you land at roughly 1/10 of a token per second. The disk is the entire speed limit here, not the CPU, not the model, which also means a faster drive is a faster model. The newest PCIe 5 SSDs push 13 to 15 gigs a second, and 2 in parallel can hit 20. In plain terms, that is about 1 word every 10 seconds. Ask it a real question, and you are waiting minutes, sometimes many minutes, for a full answer to finish streaming out. I want to be straight with you, because a lot of hype videos will not be. That is slow, painfully slow. You are not throwing away your ChatGPT tab for this, and you are not holding a live conversation with it. That was never what it is for. What it is for is patience. Hand it a hard refactor or a long research question at night, close the lid, and read the finished answer over coffee. A genuine frontier model did the work. On a mini PC you can buy new for about $600 with a 24 gig stick of RAM and a 0.5 terabyte drive. And if you have more to spend, this same trick just gets faster. Keep those experts in system RAM instead of on the disk, and the whole picture changes. On a box with 192 gigs of RAM and a few used 3090s, people run this exact 2-bit GLM-5.2 near 7 tokens a second. So treat it as a dial, not a wall. Money and RAM buy you speed. 25 gigs and a bit of patience buy you the very same frontier model for almost nothing. You get to choose which end of that dial you sit on. Alright, say you actually want to try this yourself. The setup is genuinely just 3 steps, and not one of them needs a GPU. Step 1. Download the weights. Grab Unsloth Dynamic 2-bit GGUF of GLM-5.2 from Hugging Face. It is a couple hundred gigabytes, so put it on the fastest SSD you own and clear the space first, because it is bigger than most people expect. Step 2. Build the engine. You can use llama.cpp with its expert offload flags to keep the mixture of experts weights out of RAM, or use Colibrí if you want the extreme 25 gigabyte pure streaming version. Both compile from source in a few minutes. Step 3. Point it at the model file. Tell it to keep the experts on disk and start a conversation. Then wait. The first token takes the longest while the cache warms up. After that, it settles into its slow, steady rhythm. Now step back, because the setup is not really the point. GLM-5.2 was trained on 100,000 Chinese Ascend chips, 28 trillion tokens, without a single Nvidia GPU, and then Z.AI shipped the full weights open, under an MIT license, free for anyone on Earth to download and keep forever. Put those two facts side by side. A frontier-grade model, free to grab, running on a second-hand machine in a bedroom. The thing the whole industry insisted needed a data center now fits, slowly, on a laptop. That is the real headline. Sparse Mixture-of-Experts models, plus cheap and fast storage. SSDs get quicker every year, so the speed will climb on its own. The fact that it runs at all is the part that matters today. So that is how 744 billion parameters fold onto a 25 gig laptop with no GPU. If you learned something, subscribe. Taking this stuff apart is what we do here every week.